Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So I just came to, not sure if you can see it, but Best Buy. I've been to Target, Walmart, and nowhere that I have been, they have a mic for this GoPro for me to connect it like inside my helmet. Is that what you guys do if you motovlog? Can you tell me what you guys do? Because I want to talk to you guys while I'm driving, but all you can hear right now is the wind noise, and I have the GoPro attached to my chin, like a chin mount. So yeah, I guess last option is checking online. I need a micro USB microphone, and then I'll maybe connect it inside my helmet, and that way I can talk to you guys while I'm riding, and you can actually hear the bike sound, because all you hear is wind noise right now. But I'll give you guys a start right here, and yeah guys, bear with me. We got the camera set up now finally. All I need is a microphone and we're good to go. I got an SD card, I got a chin mount, I got everything. So I put everything I got into this, guys, and all we need now is a microphone and we'll be good to go with motovlogging and having fun. So yeah, I might cut this video short because there's going to be a lot of wind noise, but I'll film me leaving here, so it's not too short. I would guess that all you guys can hear is wind noise, so it's honestly unacceptable to vlog without a mic. I'm still trying to find one. I can't find one yet, but right when I find one, guys, we'll be posting some fire content. I know I could be vlogging with my normal camera a lot, and I know you guys love those type of vlogs, and I promise we'll get to it. But yeah, for now, enjoy this video. Just giving you guys an update. The camera's here. It's strapped to my chin. I don't know if you can see it up there. And yeah, all we need is a microphone and we'll be good to go. So peace out, like the video, subscribe to support, and I'll see you guys on the next one.